Little Owl Kitchen Time. How to make oatmeal cookies. For this recipe, you will need 3/4 cups of butter, half a cup of raisins, half a cup of brown sugar, 1 cup of flour, 1½ cups of oats, 1 egg, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, half a teaspoon of baking powder, a pinch of salt, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla. In a medium-sized bowl, add your flour, oats, salt and baking powder, and cinnamon. Mix until everything is well combined, and set it aside. In a large bowl, add your brown sugar and butter. Cream them together until it looks light and fluffy. Add your egg, vanilla, and mix. Incorporate your flour mixture from before 1/3 at a time. If it's too crumbly, add another egg. Now fold in your raisins. Butter your pan. Take about a tablespoon of your dough and roll it into a ball, then flatten it. Do this until there is no more dough left. Bake at 350 degrees Fahrenheit for 10 to 13 minutes. Let them cool and enjoy.